Yo, what is good, y'all? I'm back with another brand new video. I go by the name KingCordae, your main man with the game plan, your host with the most, your fix for the kicks and all that good shit, man. I'm back with another video, and I'm super excited because I got some great content for y'all today, man. I got a brand new unboxing video I'm gonna hit y'all with. I got some products I'm gonna hit y'all with. Then I'm gonna also give you a sneak peek into some other things that I got going on. I'm gonna tell y'all where I've been for the past little while. Kick back, relax, stay tuned, man. Kick your feet up and let's ride. So if you've been wondering where I've been at, man, I haven't really been uploading to YouTube because I've been trying to perfect my craft, you know what I'm saying? You know, I wanted to practice getting better with talking on camera, talking in front of you guys, you know, and doing the things that I do. So I was over on Instagram making videos on IGTV. I made a segment called Cordae's Closet. I'll make sure I put a link to my Instagram in this video. You can go and click on my channel, go follow me, drop me a line in my DMs, go check out my content there. But basically, I'll be bringing over everything that I was doing from my IGTV videos over to YouTube now. And I'm super excited about it because now I feel comfortable. I feel like I'm at a level where I can bring you guys more consistent content. So without further ado, let's stop this talking. Let's go ahead and get right to the packaging. All right, y'all, we are back. As you can see, I got lots and lots of stuff up here on this table for y'all, man. Got a brand new unboxing I'm gonna be doing in a second. And I also got some streetwear I'm gonna be reviewing and putting on for you guys as well. So let's go ahead and start with the streetwear. Alright, y'all, we are back. So as you can see right here, got some little parcels for you guys. If you guys did not know, Complex recently launched ComplexLand, a little virtual online shopping experience. And I went there and I partook in it. It was completely online. It was free to enter and get into. And I wanted to see what it was about. So I went on and I checked it out and it was actually pretty cool. Picked up some nice pieces. I picked up 2 t-shirts from Staple and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them for you guys. So I'm gonna start with this black t-shirt right here. So as we see, we have a black t-shirt from Staple. We got their signature pigeon on the front of the shirt, and on the sleeve of the shirt, if you can see right here, says Staple on the sleeve of the shirt. I really like how the pigeon has like highway and traffic signs on the shirt. I think that's super dope. And for the next parcel that I have, I also picked up another t-shirt from Staple, this one with the pigeon on it. And if you look closely, the pigeon is metallic and black, and I think that's super cool. I really love when companies pay attention to details and they put little cool things in their merch. I will be putting those t-shirts on to give you guys a good look. But for now, let's go ahead and get to what we really been waiting for. The Air Jordan 11 Jubilee released on Saturday. I wasn't able to pick up a pair, but a good friend of mine was able to buy a pair from a consignment store, and I will be paying him back for it. So if you're watching, Camille, thank you so much, bro. I appreciate you. You came through for your boy. You were clutch, and I have them in hand with me right now, so I will be doing an unboxing real quick. Size 13, my size, as you can see. This is what the box looks like. So without further ado, man, let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. And I really like this box because it has an intricate locking system. I'm gonna open it for you guys in the way that you can see it. ho ho. And here we are, y'all. This is the Air Jordan 11 Retro Jubilee. So once again, y'all, here we have it. These are the Air Jordan 11 Retro Jubilee, a brand new sneaker from Air Jordan from Nike. And I'm very excited about these because Jordan 11s are one of my favorite Air Jordan silhouettes. And I really like this pair. I think this pair is super clean, super chic, very clean looking, very smooth. A lot of people may not be too crazy about this pair, but that's okay. They don't have to be because I am. So taking a look at some of the materials of this shoe, of course it has the patent leather all around the shoe, a staple of the Air Jordan 11. It also has this smooth leather right here, and as you can see, the Jumpman sign is metallic next to the ankle, metallic 23 on the heel, and on the eye stays, if you can see, spells Jordan all around on the eye stays. You also have that famous mesh material right here on the upper of the shoe, that very high quality carbon fiber on the side of the shoe. On the outsole of the shoe, it has a milky translucent outsole. I think is a really nice touch. And of course it has that white soft rubber on the midsole. I think this shoe is made with great materials, and I'm really eager to see how comfortable it is and see how well we can pop it off with a fit. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and put these on foot and we're gonna rock out. Be right back. Alright y'all, we are back. So I'm gonna leave you with my final impression of the Air Jordan 11 Jubilees. I think they're a great shoe. They're a great silhouette. Gotta love Air Jordan 11s. It's such a classic silhouette, such a timeless silhouette. They're always in style. This particular colorway, it's a little bland, but personally I love it. I'm a fan of anything black and white, and this just really does it for me. Once again, you gotta love the details on this shoe. If I had to give this shoe a rating, an overall rating, I would give this shoe a 8 out of 10. I think they're great. The colorway is not too exciting, but I would give this shoe a solid 8 out of 10. Let me know what you guys think of this pair and this merch in the comments below. Once again, I appreciate you guys so much for watching, man. Make sure you guys stay tuned because I have another unboxing I'll be doing for you guys pretty soon, man. I'm gonna actually have that out to y'all later on this week, and I'm gonna keep bringing y'all content, man. And also before the end of the year, I'll make sure I have my top 10 sneakers that I personally cop in 2020. I'll be putting that video out before the end of the year, and I'm super excited about that. I really hope that you guys rock with it. I really hope that y'all love it. Please don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video, man. It helps with the growth of my channel. I would appreciate it so much if you guys did so. Also hit subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you can be the first to see whenever I drop brand new content. Also make sure you go give me a follow over on Instagram at KingCordae. You can follow me, drop me a line in my DM, tag me in some of your cool fit pictures, sneaker pictures, what have you. Whatever you got going on, let me know what's up. Stay in contact with me. And I'm gonna go ahead and get out y'all here. I appreciate y'all so much for watching. Once again, I am KingCordae. This is now the segment we will refer to as Cordae's Closet on YouTube. And I'm out of here, y'all. Thank you for watching. Peace.